Want to install Clipchamp on your Windows computer? Clipchamp is Microsoft's video editing app, and it makes it easy to create and edit videos with clips, images, audio, text, effects, and more. In this guide, I'll show you how to install Clipchamp on Windows step by step in 2026. First, open the Windows Start menu and search for Clipchamp. On some Windows 11 computers, Clipchamp may already be installed. If you see it in the search results, simply select it to open the app. If Clipchamp isn't installed, open the Microsoft Store. Use the search box and type Microsoft Clipchamp. Look for the official Clipchamp application and open its store page. Now select the Install or Get button. Windows will download and install Clipchamp on your computer. Wait until the installation is complete. The amount of time may depend on your internet connection. Once the installation finishes, select Open. You can also launch Clipchamp later by searching for it from the Start menu. When the app opens, you'll see the Clipchamp home screen. Next, sign in with your Microsoft account if Clipchamp asks you to. After signing in, you can access the editor and start creating your own video projects. Now Clipchamp is ready to use. You can create a new video, import your files, add music or voiceover, use templates, record your screen or webcam, and edit your footage. And that's how to install Clipchamp on Windows in 2026. Search for Clipchamp, install it from the Microsoft Store if needed, sign in, and you're ready to start creating videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.